Good morning, boys and girls. It's time to learn about a new number today. Yesterday we learned about 12. Today we're going to learn about 13. A 1 for 1 10 and a 3 for 3 ones. Okay, so you all know how to make a 1. Straight down and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Now a 3 is around the tree and around the tree. That's the way you make a 3. Remember when we did that a long time ago? All right, practice your 3s. Anyway, I just got some new chip bag holders, and I dumped them in this bowl, and I want to see how many I have. Aren't they pretty? 1, count with me, 2, 3. Zoe thinks they're food. I hope she doesn't eat my chip holders, my bag holders. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, pretty orange. 11 and purple. 12, 13. Holy camole, am I lucky or what? Now I can put them on my pretzels and on my cereal and on my chips. Do you have some of these in your kitchen? I bet you do, but I have a lot. I have 13. Woo! 13, that's a lot. All right, now we're gonna learn about the cubes again. Remember how many white ones we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I add 1, it makes 11. If I add 2, it makes 12. And guess what happens when I add the third one? It makes 13. We have 10 and 3 extra. 11, 12, 13. 10 plus 3 makes 13. So 13 is a 1 and a 3 in front of it. Or 1 and a 3 next to it, I should say. All right, good job, boys and girls. Let's practice our 13 in the air. Ready? 1 and then a 3. Woo! Around that tree and around that tree. That's the way you make a 3. Now try it on your hand. 1, 3. Try it in the air again. 1, 3. Good job. What number comes before 13? Do you remember? It's 12. So we get to 10 and then we say 11, 12, 13. It's the 13 number. 11, 12, 13. 13, 13, 13, 13. All right, I'm going to tell you about your worksheets. It's going to sound familiar because we're going to do the similar one that we did for 12. But first, I'm going to show you my handy dandy 10 charts. Here's the number 13. 1, 3. Here's the word 13. Right here, 13. And here's one 10 chart, and it's all filled up. How many are in it? There are 10. I'm calling it a 10 chart, but I mean to call it a 10 frame. 10 dots in the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have to go to the second 10 frame to keep going to 13. 11, 12, 13. How many dots did we add? 3 to the 10. So we have 13, 13, 13. Okay, good job. We're going to do the infamous dip it. So you can use a Q-tip and paint, or you can use your markers or your crayons or your colored pencils, and you can practice making 13. A 1 and a 3. There we go. And then the second sheet is called All About 13. First, you're going to practice the 13s, tracing them. Then you're going to make your own 13. Then you're going to trace the word 13. Then in the 2 10 frames, first you're going to color one 10 frame with all the dots. And then in the second one, you're going to add 11, 12, 13, 3 extra dots. And then you're going to color 13 balloons. Remember, be careful, don't color them all. You have to count because there might be more than 13. And the cubes we're going to do like we did, where we add one row of 10, and then 3 more to make 13. 11, 12, 13. And the bottom, which is a fun part to do, is where you circle the 13s. Can you see any that have a 1 and a 3? Here's 1 and 3. Is this a 1 and a 3? Nope. So you're not going to circle that one. Okay. And don't forget, you can send me a picture of you and your worksheets, which is super exciting to me. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. My email address is jholt@allsaintsspokane.net. And I also would love it if you show me a baggie or a picture of 13 items that you collect in your house. So work on that too, okay? All right, sounds good. We'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye, miss you. Woo! Bye.